yeah, the very first clip you saw there is generally how I start out a song when I'm playing there. Is I'll set the drum beat, and then I'll do the rhythm, lay that down, get that all synced up and stuff, and if it sounds all right, then I'll go back and lay down the bass track and then a lead later on, or another rhythm guitar if it needs highlights, you know, on that part. But on this one, we're just practicing doing the stuff on the playing under the 12th fret, and you learn your basic chords, you know, the A, C, D, G, and so on. I wanted to take it a bit further, and then that's what I mean about getting personal with your guitar. If you play under the 12th fret and nowhere else, then you have to learn where the chords are down there. And you will, you know, take you a week or two or whatever, you know, how much time you put into it, and you will learn how to play the chords down there, and you know where to play the leads and stuff too. It's pretty fun. And I'll show you the completed song later on. So try this, everybody. It's a whole lot of fun, and no telling what you're going to come up with, huh? Something cool, I bet, though. And then it's going to be a whole lot of fun to try anyway. But in this next piece right here, I start playing the lead into it and figuring out what kind of lead that I want in the song. And then after that, then we'll play the complete song.